Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the pantry cover in this Samsung refrigerator, unplug the appliance's power cord. Fully remove the two crisper drawers. As well as the pantry drawer. Now depress the tabs to release the crisper drawer shelf assembly from the water filter housing. Remove the shelf assembly. Detach the left side pantry door mounting post from the left rail and remove the door. You can now remove the old pantry cover, if still in place. To install the new pantry cover, position it on the side supports under the water filter housing. Reinstall the pantry door by inserting the right side mounting post into the hole in the right rail first. Then snap the left side post into the notch in the left rail. Reinstall the crisper drawer shelf assembly by positioning the shelf on the liner supports and snapping the center support into place on the water filter housing. Replace the two crisper drawers. As well as the pantry drawer. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.